Welcome to Top 5 Report. The Best Smart Scoop is probably one of the most innovative solutions for cat owners seeking to minimize the daily chore of litter box maintenance, offering a hands-free experience that promises a cleaner home and a happier feline companion, all while utilizing advanced technology to detect and remove waste automatically, ensuring a consistently fresh environment for your beloved pet. Number 5. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Litter Tray Refills. Introducing the PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Litter Tray Refills. Designed for our self-cleaning automatic litter boxes, these trays do all the work for you. Enjoy weeks without scooping, cleaning, or refilling. Our 99% dust-free crystal litter absorbs urine and dries solid waste, eliminating odors 5x faster than clumping litter. The disposable tray features a protective plastic liner to prevent leaks and keep your floors clean. The lightweight, leak-proof plastic liners make these disposable litter trays incredibly convenient. They are ideal for pet parents everywhere, offering a hassle-free solution. Your pet deserves the best. Explore our wide range of products, from leashes and harnesses to self-cleaning litter boxes and accessories, all designed to enhance your pet's life. Since 1998, PetSafe has been dedicated to creating happy, healthy, and safe environments for pets. Our US-based customer care experts are always ready to assist you with any questions. What we like? This is a great option if you want a no-fuss litter box experience. It uses crystal litter that absorbs waste and controls odor effectively. If you're looking for a simple, disposable solution that keeps your floors clean, this is the one for you. What people say. The automatic scooping works well, cleaning the litter box after each use. The design is sleek and fits nicely into most home decor. It has a large capacity, reducing the frequency of full litter changes. Number 4. Petcove PurrTek Smart Litter Box. Tired of scooping? This automatic self-cleaning litter box sifts waste after every use. Simply pop, tie, and toss the sealed bag for a mess-free, odor-free experience. Enjoy 24/7 hands-free freshness for you and comfort for your feline friends. This automatic cleaning litter box is compact enough to fit neatly into any corner of your home. Its stable sensor base ensures it won't tip, providing a secure and convenient solution. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. It combines a sealed waste bin, a deodorizing fan, and a negative ion system to neutralize odors instantly. Your home will stay genuinely fresh, even with multiple cats. Manage your smart litter box remotely with the Petcove app. Connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to schedule cleanings, monitor your cat's activity, track their weight, and receive full bin alerts from anywhere. It features a spacious, open drum with smooth rotation, allowing your cats to dig and exit naturally. The low entry point and optional ramp make it accessible, and it automatically pauses for kittens or pregnant cats. The large, sealed waste bin stores up to 15 days of waste for one cat or 5 days for 3. This means fewer bag changes and less cleanup, giving you more time for what matters. Cleaning is a breeze. The filter and litter drum detach easily for a quick wipe or wash, while the electronics stay dry. Changing the waste bag is as simple as pop, tie, and toss, keeping it fresh with zero hassle. What we like? For busy multi-cat households, this is a game changer. It offers app control for scheduling cleanings and monitoring, plus superior odor control. If you want a smart, quiet, and hands-free solution that keeps your home smelling fresh even with multiple cats, this is your best bet. What people say. The automatic scooping works well and it is very quiet. The app is easy to use and allows you to monitor the litter box remotely. The large capacity bin means you don't have to empty it as often. Number 3. MeoWant Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Our automatic litter box prioritizes your cat's safety with 10 precision sensors. It offers comprehensive monitoring and immediate pauses, ensuring their well-being during use. Stay connected with our smart litter box via the AirPet app. You can manage its cleanliness remotely and monitor your cat's health, including weight and activity, in real time. This self-cleaning litter box automatically removes waste after each use, depositing it into an enclosed bin. It's designed to work with various clumping cat litters. Enjoy a fresh home with its odor control cover that seals away unpleasant smells. The ultra-quiet motor operates at a low noise level, ensuring peace for you and your pet. With a generous internal space, it comfortably accommodates cats of various sizes, from 3.3 to 18 pounds. The low-entry design makes it easy for older cats or those with mobility issues. Setting up and cleaning this litter box is a breeze, requiring no tools. We also offer excellent customer service for any issues you might encounter. What we like. This litter box is ideal for those prioritizing safety and health insights. Its advanced sensors ensure your cat's safety, and the app allows you to track their weight and activity. If you have a cat with mobility issues or are keen on monitoring your cat's health, this offers peace of mind and convenience. What people say. The automatic scooping works well, separating waste efficiently. The design is sleek and fits nicely into most home decor. It has a quiet operation, so it doesn't disturb pets or owners. Number 2. PETKIT Purobot Ultra Auto Cat Litter Box. Introducing the world's first smart AI camera cat litter box. It transforms routine litter box use into a comprehensive health tracking system by integrating facial recognition and poop monitoring. With a 180 degrees rotating camera, it accurately identifies each cat's visits by face. It logs key data like visit times, duration, stool shape, and urine clump size for precise health monitoring. Automatically generates photo and video records for each cat, preventing mix-ups. This allows you to easily track long-term trends and spot subtle changes in their bathroom habits. Monitoring waste patterns can help detect early signs of health issues. It transforms hidden litter box clues into actionable information for proactive pet care. This self-cleaning cat litter box automatically cleans and seals waste after each use. It significantly reduces cross-infection and allergy risks, making it perfect for multi-cat homes or those with sensitivities. When the waste bin is full, it automatically seals the bag and refills a new one. Enjoy a truly hands-free and odor-free experience. It features a large 10L waste bin that provides up to 20 days of no scooping for one cat. The included bags last for about 200 days, offering incredible cost-effectiveness and convenience. What we like. This is the most advanced option for tech-savvy pet owners focused on health. The AI camera tracks your cat's behavior and provides health insights, while the auto waste packing keeps things hygienic. If you want to proactively monitor your cat's health with cutting-edge technology and enjoy a truly hands-free experience, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The PetZone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box is a game-changer for cat owners. It automatically scoops waste after each use, keeping the litter box clean and odor-free. The spacious design accommodates multiple cats, and the quiet operation ensures minimal disturbance. The unit is easy to set up and maintain, with a simple to empty waste drawer. The durable construction promises long-lasting performance. This litter box has significantly reduced the daily chore of scooping, allowing for more quality time with my feline friends. The automatic cleaning feature is incredibly efficient, and the litter box itself is aesthetically pleasing, blending well with home decor. The sensor technology accurately detects when a cat has used the box, initiating the scooping cycle promptly. The large capacity waste bin means less frequent emptying, which is a huge convenience. Overall, a fantastic investment for any cat owner seeking convenience and a cleaner home environment. I've been using the PetZone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box for a few weeks now, and I'm thoroughly impressed. The automatic scooping mechanism works flawlessly, removing waste efficiently and without any issues. My cats took to it immediately, which was a pleasant surprise. The odor control is excellent. I no longer notice any unpleasant smells in the house. The design is sleek and modern, and it doesn't take up too much space. Cleaning is a breeze, as the waste drawer slides out easily for disposal. The quiet motor is a definite plus, as it doesn't startle my cats. This litter box has truly simplified my life as a cat owner, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a hassle-free solution to litter box maintenance. Number 1. PetSafe ScoopFree Clumping Litter Box Waste Bin Liners. Tired of messy litter box cleanups? Introducing our convenient waste bin liners, designed for a no-mess disposal experience. Simply line the bin, pull, tie, and toss when full. Say goodbye to scrubbing your litter box waste bin. These liners keep the interior clean after every cycle, eliminating the need for deep cleaning and preventing odor buildup. Designed specifically for your ScoopFree Clumping and SmartSpin self-cleaning litter boxes. They fit perfectly into the waste bin for a seamless experience. Changing the liner takes only seconds. No contact with waste, no lingering odors. Just a quick swap and you're ready for the next cycle, giving you more time with your cat. Regular use prevents waste residue from absorbing into the bin, keeping your litter box smelling fresh longer. This extends the life of your self-cleaning system. Each pack comes with 25 liners, providing an extended supply for effortless waste disposal. Keep your litter box area clean and fresh with ease. What we like. This product is perfect for existing PetSafe ScoopFree users who want to simplify maintenance. These liners eliminate the need for deep cleaning the waste bin and prevent long-term odor buildup. If you already own a compatible ScoopFree litter box and want an even easier, cleaner disposal method, these liners are a must-have. What people say. The automatic scooping works well and keeps the litter box clean. The design is sleek and modern, fitting nicely into my home decor. It has a large capacity, so I don't have to scoop as often. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.